Hello everyone, this is Sampath from Abhyaas LawPrep. I'm going to explain you about how we gonna deliver all these sessions and all. And as you know, everyone, we already gave some information about live lectures. We are starting from 23rd itself. I'll gonna give you a clear idea about you know where to log in, where we can get all these live sessions and all. And before moving uh, actual live before we discuss about actual live sessions, I'll just give you clear idea about your student portal, student login portal. Here, just you just go through student login portal. You just enter abhyas.in or lawprep.in website, lawprep.in or abhyas.in website. And in lawprep.in, you just choose this icon to log in student portal, or otherwise you can just go to abhyas.in. You just choose student login. Here again, you have to choose relevant product here, like CLAT lawprep. You just enter your email IDs and password, and which is already you are there at the time of you already get these login credentials at the time of your enrollment. And here I'm just entering my login credentials here. Yeah. This will be the login portal homepage of your student portal. This will be some of you already know all these tabs, right? And I'll just brief you about in detail all these tabs in detail. Like first one will be the LP dump, this will be profile, and this will be announcement. Whatever notifications will release now will put up here. And e-lectures, recorded lectures and live lectures, you're going to find all those here in this tab. And coming to e-test, e-test means a mock test, topic test, individual GK monthly tests, uh, all these tests and all, online tests and all, you can find there. And e-resources here, mock calendar, and this kind of information will put up here. Next, discussion forum. This is also very important section, tab for you. If you have a query, you can post here within within 24 hours. Faculty gonna reply with whatever you posted question. Within 24 hours, faculty gonna reply that particular question. Okay, and let's quickly move to e-lectures. Here in e-lectures, you know, different tabs are there, and English and comprehension, mathematics, logical reasoning, general knowledge, legal aptitude. These are the fundamentally video lectures. Fundamental video lectures. Each video contain around 25 to 35 minutes are there, and those particular videos have approximate 120 plus videos are there, and 120 plus quizzes are there, right? And here again, second thing, CLAT 2020 orientation week. First initial stage me, you just watch these videos. Like click on here, orientation week. There you just choose ALP intensive 2020 student note. You just click on here. You just download that particular PDF file, and you just this will be again four pages are there, and you just read out entire these 4 pages. And next thing about CLAT 2020 new pattern, compared to last year, this year pattern, entire pattern got changed, right? Me and Naresa recorded a video that will be around 40-42 minutes are there. You just watch entire that video. Next, understanding CLAT 2022 plan, what are those sectional, English and language, legal reasoning, what are the changes they made. And this will be again 2 hours, 2 hours duration is there. This is again current affairs, quantitative aptitude, quantitative techniques and logical listening section में two videos are there. Next move to again e-lectures. In this e-lectures में first initial tab is there na, CLAT 2020 intensive. Click on that. Here you can able to find four again subtabs are there. Here know your faculty, who gonna teach you, who gonna take whichever you know each and every particular subject may we have our own faculty, right? And if you want to know faculty profile, faculty background, you just click on that. You'll get in one PDF file. You just download that. And next weekly schedule. Here again week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, it like that. 6 weeks or 7 weeks program is there now, and the first week schedule we already uploaded, and which is already shared with you. And this is again PDF format. Just download that. 23rd March, we have two sessions. One is forenoon and other one afternoon. Forenoon 11 to 1 p.m. and each session will be in 2 hours duration. Next, forenoon, a general one, reading speed and contextual vocabulary, and afternoon 3 to 5, legal reasoning, legal GK 1. And like that, every week you'll get an email and you'll get an uh, will upload week 1, week 2, week 3 schedule. And next, live classes. You just click live classes. Here some link is there. Again, open that. And one more thing is there, recorded classes. If you miss any of particular live lecture, and that will be enabled in the format of recorded format. Okay, and just I'm just it is redirected to another page again. Here again you need to enter login credentials of yours, like that will be, and your email ID or whatever login credentials are there na, kkp 19200 something, and SBD 19200 something, or e-center people 1819 e-center 19200 something. And gamble students also, they have their own IDs now. You just enter those particular IDs here, and password will be shared with you a day before. Okay, and if anyone didn't get any passwords and email kind of thing, you just immediately contact with us. And any queries, do contact us. Please do contact us. Any queries, we'll gonna help you on that. And one more thing, this will be here whenever you enter into this online video classes may, you'll be having some links are there. Okay, I'll guide you all those links here. Here the two different things are there. One is advanced intensive program and other one regular intensive program. Advanced means those who comes under those who are preparing last 1 year 2 year, those people all comes under advanced intensive program. And regular means who come for only crash course kind of thing, those people comes under here. And now this will be the login page, and I'm entering my login credentials here. I'm just entering my login ID and password and just clicking on login. And very initial page you'll get as a courses. There will be allocating some course to you. And just now I told you, right, regarding advanced intensive, now regular intensive. Regular means just now as discussed with you, right, as I told you, right, regular intensive and advanced intensive. Now you just click on here, then choose live classes. And in live classes, whatever classes scheduled to you, you can able to see all those live classes here. And past, and if you want to see past video lectures, video classes, if you miss any of your classes, will be those videos are Yes, if you miss any of particular classes, those videos will be available in the format of recorded, and you can able to see all those videos here, right? And this will be your a login page, and you can able to see a launch page here, and you just click on launch page. There, if you're clicking on launch page, it will navigate to some other another tab, and there it's gonna ask you, allow access speaker and camera. You just allow access, click on allow access, then you'll get a page like this, and here you're gonna find faculty face and all, and here you're gonna see whatever if that particular class any PPT is there, you can see that particular PPT, and this will be the class conversation, and you'll be have one more private conversation, private SMS messages are there, and if you uh, if you have any queries, you can post it here, and immediately that particular faculty will gonna reply your which whatever questions you posted on that chat box. They'll gonna reply you. Okay, and this will be the online session portal, and if you have any queries, you just contact us in any time, and you just put an SMS in WhatsApp, and if you face any technical issues like you can't able to see the faculty face, and you can't hear faculty voice and all, you just immediately raise a question, and before you just contact us immediately, and before calling us, you just install a TeamViewer or any desk software in your personal PC. Then it would be very help us to solve your whatever questions are there. Now we're gonna take your uh, TeamViewer access or any desk access, and we'll solve your problems right away. And I hope everyone is clear, and you know uh, this as earlier discussed with you, right, regarding this online portal, and any queries, please do contact us, and thank you, and any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much. All the best for your CLAT 2020. Thank you.